All right, so I am live. Let me just fix this OBS. Sorry about that. It's a wide screen, so you won't be able to see the left and right edges. Okay, let me just move myself a bit to the right. And this. Okay, so you can see my mouse, keyboard, and everything. Okay, so the project that we are going to work on right now is there's a terrace, and then we are going to convert that into the first floor of a house with 3 bedrooms with 3 attached toilets, and whatever leftover space is there, then we'll add a pantry or a living room into it. So I've taken the measurements around a week back, but I didn't get time to work on it. So I'm going to just search in my sketchbook where it is. So here it is. It's a very rough sketch. So I've got the sketchbook in my hand, and then I've got the laser measuring device, which I use to measure all the distances in meters. Okay, so let us begin. So what we can do is, in my mobile, I've also taken the picture of a very old plan. It's so old that it was the time where people used to hand draw working drawings. So I have that. So I'm going to transfer that into my computer. Or I don't even need to transfer it. I'll just refer it, and we can then draft it on the AutoCAD. So till the time I'm searching, I'll open an AutoCAD file. Also, I'll open an old AutoCAD file so that I have all the layers set, and then we can go from there. Okay, let me search quickly. So we've got projects, old projects, and I think some comprehensive file would do. So this one is a nice file which would have all the various residential elements, because this is a project where there was a residence involved. I'm looking for the image that I took. Also, in my mobile, I took all the videos and images of the site, so I'll keep that at hand to cross-refer if I've done any mistakes or not, to check if I have done any mistake or not. So yes, I have got it. Wait, I'll show you. Let me see if you can see it or not. Okay. So that is how it is. Wait. Yeah. So that is actually hand-drawn plan of the building on the ground floor. But what I took the measurements of is of the first floor, which is of course slightly different than this one. But this will be good to see if I make any mistakes or not. Okay, so we've got everything set. Let's go. Sadly, I might not be able to see the chat and reply if anybody's messaging. But if I do, I'll of course reply to that. Okay, I've got very less time. I've got like barely an hour or two to finish this off. So first we are going to make a measured drawing, and then we will make some options. Okay. So let me just delete a few things. No, it's fine. So this is the old project, and some plan first. So there is 6.8 meters, and then there is 5 meters. I don't know how low this is. There is a gap over here, but I don't know how much it is. I think oh, no. There is no gap. We'll just extend it. Also, I'm using my personalized shortcuts. So for example, this was extend, so it should be EX, but for me it is EW. Similarly, match properties, it is MA, but for me it is MN. So just keep that in mind. Then there is 4.46. I don't know why I forgot to mention this. So this is the front edge of the terrace facing the road. And this part, so there is like a niche coming in, and I haven't um, measured it out. So I'm quickly gonna see the video. Yeah, so I'll show you just a second. This one. Perfect. So there is this part that I need to, wait a second. Oh man, it's pretty bad. So I don't think you'll be able to see it. So there's basically a niche that I can see. So there's a column and then another width, which is approximately 2 feet. So I would say it is 1.5 meters. Yeah, I'll take it 1.5 meters, including the thickness of the wall. So that is 1.5. Then we go 4.46. Then things become really complicated. Also, my middle mouse button is messed up, so it's automatically double clicking it. And I've checked that there is no solution to that. Okay. So offset 13.2. How much is this? Length 11.8. Wait. That's not right. Okay, so this is probably 6.8. Offset 6.8. Okay, so this is 6.8. Fair enough. So I need to trim this. Then there is 13.2. Okay. So oh, this entire thing should be 9.7. Offset 9.7. Or not. Offset 9.7, probably from here. Yep. And then we fillet this. Remove that. This is so confusing. Okay, so there is a building here, and then there is probably a distance of 2 meters. And then I'm gonna add thickness to it, say single brick thick wall, so 0.23. I'll have to move this by 0.23. So I just added the thickness. This should be 0.97. Oops, sorry. 9.7. Okay. And then there will be 13.2. Okay. So our building is probably this thing. What we can do is, just a second, 9.7 offset, 9.7. Okay. What we can do is we can go to Google. Oh, wait, I completely forgot that I had my face on this the whole time. Anyway, so what we can quickly do is go on to Google and then get the satellite image of the site. So I'll do that now. And then we can scale it down or up as we like. And we'll just check if our building is approximately the same size or not. Whoa. Okay, this is messed up. Terrain, no, satellite. I think this is it. Yeah, this one it is. All right, so I'm gonna take a screenshot with the Google thing, the Google like 5 meter scale on the bottom right, and then I'm going to orient it. So I'm going to orient the house first. I do orient it. How do I orient it? Can't we rotate map on Google? Shift, alter, right click, nothing is working. I can't see the, the north, which I can use to rotate. I think it's fine. I'll just clip that out and then we can go from there. I'm gonna take the screenshot. I'm sorry, I can't show all of this for privacy reasons, of course. Now I have the screenshot with the scale. So this is the 5 meter scale, and that I'm going to use to refer the distances inside this map. Okay, so this line is 5 meter. I'm going to draw a 5 meter line in reality. Oops, sorry. No, it is still not aligned. Okay, so this is the 5 meter line. Then I'm going to select this picture, scale, click here, R, click here again, click here, and then extend it to the 5 meter mark. Okay, delete everything. So I'm going to orient this slightly by eyeballing it. I think it's fine. Yeah, I'm using the crosshair to just see if it works or not. And it does look around the same size as my drawing, but let me just draw a polyline. Now, this could be a distorted image by Google. Then there is an extension over here. Then it closes here. Boom. Move. Pretty close. Of course, I'll be trusting my measurements over Google Maps, but this is a good reference. At least you get the shape of the entire thing. Now we move on. Let us give thickness to all of these walls. and then quickly get them edges. Now, I think this will be till here, and this won't be here. We've got thickness of 2.23. Sorry, offset 2.23, then offset 0.23. Extend, no, trim, trim. Okay, so there is a WC down below. Did I do it correctly? Yeah, I think so. There is 9.7. Let me check once again. Offset 9.7. Perfect. Offset 13.2. Perfect. Okay, so perfect. So now we've got this. We need to figure out the staircase now. There is 0.73 distance. Okay, but let's go from down because that's the measurements I have. So we will figure out if this is correct or not. Let me correct this. So we've got offset of 17.92. Sorry, 7.92. From here. So this is the edge of the staircase. Yeah, then it protrudes out to 1.3. 1.3. I'm going to trim this and this and give it thickness, of course. No, this is inside. So yeah, remember I took the measurement from outside. A bit of a risky move. Boom, boom, boom. This goes here and then trim. Perfect. So this is a staircase thing going, and then it will extend outwards. It was 1.3 and then 2.28 from here. Interesting. Oh, sorry. Offset 2.28 from here. So I extend it, and even for this, then I trim this, and it's a staircase, so I leave that part. What is this? And trim this. Oh, I don't know what's happening here. I think we have to do fillet, and then this will go ahead and stick with the neighbor's wall. Okay, so staircase. There is 0.73 gap from the balcony's wall to staircase. Offset 0.73. Got it. And then what's the entire thickness? Ah, okay, I remember now. It's not a full staircase. It was an L-shaped thing. Okay, and I did not take this measurement. Okay, let's go from below. We've got this measurement, and then there is 1.314. We'll just take 1.31 up, offset 1.31, and I'm pretty sure I'm taking it from the outside of the wall till here. So this shall get extended 1.31, and then there is 2.44, offset 2.44. Interesting. Okay, and then there is 2.16. Wow, that's a very narrow gap we have. 0.68. Don't remember this. Anyways, okay. Let me just check. Is this 2.28? Yeah. Is this 1.3? Oh, this is not 1.3. Great. So I'm going to stretch this by 0.23. It's cool. Now it's perfect. 0.9. I just felt there was some error, and it did come out to be true. So we've got this, and then there is 1.3, 2.44, then 2.6, offset 2.6. It's going way out of bound. So this is where we'll figure out what's that gap, but it is still too much. 2.6. Huh. Okay, 2.6. Let me delete these for now. So 2.6 is till where the staircase is going towards. And then there is this line that is going to go here. And we are going to have the walls. And this is messed up. Okay, let me think. Let's make a door over here first. Okay, so this is the staircase which is going from below and then up, and then towards the right the door is opening. Inside. And then there is a gap of 0.73. Probably the wall is very slim. I'll just check it in the video. And then there is an offset of 0.73. This makes sense. So let's have the entire thick wall join this, and then 0.73. Oh, so there is, yeah, there is a slight parapet wall that is there, but in the video it does not look like this. It looks much bigger. Whew, offset 5. Okay, offset 6.8. Okay. So it will go down, and then we can join this. We can join this. Okay, we leave it like this for now. Let us join this as well. What is this? All right. The wall thingy. Trim. Set point 115. Inside. I think it was a very slim staircase, so I'll keep it inside. And okay, so the existing plan is almost done. What is this? So existing plan is almost done. I'm gonna just throw in this door-like structure over here. Don't want the dimensions for now. This is just a preliminary discussion. Keep it 115. Probably this wall will be broken anyways, so it's fine. This is where the beam is running. one of the beams. Then there's another beam running point 529, 5.29 from, yeah, from there. And then 4.21 offset, 4.21. These are all the beams, so I'll consider these while designing. It'll be much easier for the engineer then to manage everything. All right, then this is the existing plan. Oh, there is also one puchuk, and then it goes like this. Oh, it goes along the beam? No. Oh, it must be symmetric then if there is a niche like this. Interesting. North is a bit to the left. 4.46. What is this? Offset 4.46. I hope this solves something. It solves nothing. Uh, 9.7. 9.7. Offset 9.7. Yeah, so this is correct. What is 4.46? Set 4.46. Okay. It is just slight uh, deflection. Let me just check. Offset 4.46. So basically this is starting from there. So I'm going to stretch it. But if I stretch this, then that 6.8 thing might get disrupted, because the line from here to here it's 6.8. That's what I mentioned. This is where we will be referring to the plan that they had sent. Okay. 6 1.85. Okay, so we can get the plot. Okay, so there's a porch. There is no terrace balcony. Parapet walls are 0.115. Okay, so I'll reduce the thickness. It's a bit difficult to understand. So the entire plot is 6 plus 1.85 plus 3.4. So that is 9, 10, 11.25. That's huge. 11.25 plus 1.85 is 12, 13.1. Oh, so I had measured 13.2. Oh, okay, so there will be adage of the walls, and then it'll put 13.2, but my 13.2 is the length. Here it is the breadth. So confusing. 11.36 is the length. Then adding the balcony, it becomes 13.2. Fair enough. But the frontage, that is what is very confusing. The frontage, we've got 6 meters. I'm ignoring the borders. So 6 meters plus 3.4 is 9.4. Is it 6 or 5? Okay, let's say if it is 5. 8.4. Mine is 9.7. Okay, so 8.4 plus, plus nothing. So it has to be 6. So 6 plus 3.4 is 9.4 plus the two walls, which is 0.23, 0.23, 0.46, approximately 0.5, which will add up to 9.9. So I'll remove a few walls, so it was 9.7. So almost same. So there is 9.7 this breadth, and the length is 13.2. But what we are trying to figure out is, what is this? What's happening here? There is no information about that. As I told you, it's a very, very old drawing, and there are no details, very little details. All right. So we're going to leave it as it is and move on. So that's why we need multiple, multiple chances to do the measurements to correct these things. Okay, so these are the beams, and what we are planning to do is we need 3 bedrooms with washrooms, attached washrooms. Okay. Of course, the best way is to actually sketch it out, but we don't have time. We need a one massive master bedroom and then smaller bedrooms. We need to use these beams so that it's not complicated for the engineer. Okay, so we've got a bathroom above bathroom. It's a really nice big bathroom down below, so we can connect the pipelines. So let's have that over here. We've got a bedroom, a nice massive bedroom. Let's check the dimensions in feet. 17 feet. That's huge. Then there is 15 feet. So yeah, this is a massive bedroom. So this will be the master bedroom. This space could be utilized for pantry or a combined living space, living room. They need 3 bedrooms, right? The next bedroom would be a bit smaller, but they also need walk-in closets. So we need to figure that out. Oh, it's gonna take a while. Right below, when we enter, so we enter from here, and then there is a staircase, and then you go up, and then you go in. If you break all of this, we cannot make it straight, can we? Or let's say we create a staircase tower. Or maybe make this like, nah, it does not make sense. Okay, so this will be in the enclosure, so we can have this walls removed. But anyway, even if it is removed, it can't be used. Also, we would be extending this and flushing it with the balcony lines. I'm just going to copy paste this and then make those changes. Yeah, just going to remove this and this. When you start working, you realize it's going to take a while. All right, let's just do something and give it a shot. So I'm drained. It's 8 p.m. Okay. So you've got a nice bedroom over here. You've got a bedroom over here. The entrance to this bedroom will be from here. You go in. The bedroom is like this. There is a toilet. If this was a budget room, I would have given like two toilets, one for this bedroom, one for this one. But this one is lavish, so we will be needing a water closet and a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet. And then there's a massive living room over here. What about this space? Storage space is always useful. This will be like this. No, I can't. I can't think. There will be balconies, but I completely forgot about. Yeah, there will be balconies. Completely forgot about. Offset 1 meter, and that would also be the entrance for this one. Set 0.115 trim. Oh, sorry, no trim. Offset 0.23. So this will be the toilet. It's a pretty huge one. Okay, now the toilet is comfortable, and if you need a walk-in closet, um, you'll have to use a chunk of this space, probably half the bedroom for walk-in closet, and have a study table over here. So this can be a huge bedroom, which is not only a bedroom but also um, a place for studying and children. So yeah, that could be a nice space. We've got a study table and a walk-in closet over here. There's a bedroom over here. The entrance is on this side. And if they want to expand, they can have a bunk bed over here for the kids. Then on the right side, we can have small alleyway that we have to give, even though it's bad for the space. And then in the middle, there will be two large toilets with the changing rooms. And then the bedrooms, and then the living space will be this part. Let's forget about the living space for now and just make these bedrooms. Um, yeah, so we'll have two washrooms that are close to each other. Um, so you go from here, you enter this bedroom, you go from here, and then you can access either this or this bedroom. Uh, there'll be a space in between. We need to utilize that. Or the entrance to this bedroom could be directly like this. A wall goes like this, this. Oh, right. And then we'll have the entry from here. And what about this space? What is this space? So this space will be having three doors, and then the fourth one, and small pantry kind of thing, and a sit out. Yeah. Nice. So this feels good. You enter. You get this. Oh man, we need balconies for the bedrooms as well. Okay. Let's forget about this one. You've got this nice beam going across the bedroom. That's 5 meters, 16 feet. That's huge. Nice. 12 into point, 12 into point, sorry, 12 into 3. 3.6. Around 12 feet. 0.115 because it has an internal wall. And then we will have the bathrooms. This wall will be connected to this bedroom. We are going to fillet this. Shall we have the balcony from outside or inside? But that's anything. I mean, you can change that on the spot. Let's get the general idea in place. I'm going to save as this desktop. What's the name? I forgot the name. I remember it. So I'll save that on my desktop. Residence design or something, and we'll continue working on this now. Oh, you can see the name anyways. Okay. Then we've got the bathroom. Let's have a bathroom of around 2.4 meters. Oh, it's precisely in the middle. Oh, right. So it is 5 meters, so 2.4, so approximately 2.5. That's why it's in the middle, and that would be perfect. This is a nice bedroom. We enter, we go here. What's this size? This is 3 meters. So let's say we've got 1 meter. So this is 1 meter. Then we've got 0.5 more. This is 1.5 meters. This is a good space for walk-in closet because actually no, we'll be having 2 feet depth. That is 0.6. 1.5 minus 0.6. We've got 0.9, which is just the size of the door. So we can increase it to 1.7. So we've got 1.7 thickness, 0.6 goes, we've got 1.1. We put in sliding doors, not opening cabinets. We will have a slimmest walk-in closet over here. So yeah, we enter like this. And then we've got, what did I say? 1.7, right? 0.115. And then we will trim it. This is the walk-in closet. Go like this, or we will have the door over here and then the closet is like this, so that we can use even this space when we close the door. We use this and then we get in the washroom. Now the washroom is pretty huge. We don't want that big of a size. What I was hoping for is that we split this into half and then mirror that. Oh, that would be lovely. Let me just check. Then offset 0.115. We need some space over there, so I'm going to put it down. Trim, do this. Okay, this bedroom is slightly smaller and there is no access to it. Let me think. We don't have access to that bedroom. Does not make sense. Okay, so if we stick that over here, put the washrooms in front, but that would be horrible for the elevation. Oh, okay. If we elongate the bedroom and shift this wall to the right, this wall to the right, and this elongate this part, and put in a washroom over here and a walk-in closet over here. So the entrance at least is over here. That could make sense. Yeah, kind of. Okay, let's do that. So we've got the bedroom like so. And the toilet is over here. Okay, so the toilet and the walk-in closet is like this long thing. So you go in, you go towards the walk-in the washroom. Yeah, this is much better. I'm going to, okay, let's just do this and remove this. This is my bedroom, and the entrance will be like this, and then like this. So I'm gonna have 0.9 for the door, and let's keep it cut to cut so that there is minimal waste of space. I'm going to trim this. I'm going to trim this and then have an offset of 0.115. Oops, sorry. And put it like this. We're going to remove this part. And then this. So this will be the entrance. You go here and 0.9. Get this 0.9. Then we can have wherever you want this. So let's just take it somewhere, or 2 meters. Yeah, 2 meters is perfect. Trim. Boom. Let's see. Trim. Trim. Actually, no. I just join this offset 0.9 and then trim. Okay, so you go in the bedroom, in the walk-in closet, in the washroom. Perfect. We'll give an access to the balcony for both the bedrooms to this one. Yeah. Right. Where is the bedroom? This is the access to one bedroom. Can I flip it and use the same strategy for the upper bedroom? Or shall we keep it like completely different? Um, because I don't like this part where I'm supposed to. So if I extend this wall and then keep this small alleyway to put in, it's really horrible. It just puts off all the grandeur that we've been creating everywhere except for this place. So let's think about something else. So get in, and then right in front of me is the living space. There's a small pantry. And then we'll have a door that leads us to the bed with the walk-in closet over here, and then the toilet over here. If you want to go to the second bedroom, you go down, then enter this place. It's pretty messed up. Hmm. Man. Hmm. Just looking at their requirements once, if I have taken any notes or anything. So many stuff. Where is it? Oh yeah, there it is. Oh great! So it's just 3 bedroom with the water closet and dressing room, living or balcony or sit out, and a pantry. All right, I think um, let's start afresh. Keep this option in mind, but now like the brain is just stuck. So I'm going to remove everything, not even the columns. Oops, sorry. Oh no, it's fine. Okay. Yeah, so this is the space that we've got. We need to put in 3 bedrooms with attached toilets. All right, let's sketch some stuff. Just need some quiet times. I won't be speaking much, but I'll work on this. 3 bedrooms. Hmm. So the constraints. One, entrance. Entrance is a constraint. The washroom on the bottom left is a constraint. We have to have a water closet over there. And then we've got all the freedom in the world to do anything. The staircase block is another constraint. That is really weird shaped stuff, protrusion that is blocking most of the designing. All right. Oof. Then from the constraint of the bottom left WC, I'm going to have a bedroom. Actually, I can show you what I'm doing. Okay. Like this. So yeah, so this is the constraint. Yep. WC is a constraint, the entrance is the constraint, and this protrusion is a constraint. And then we'll have 3 bedrooms, one living balcony thing, and a pantry. Okay. So because of this WC, we will have to have a bedroom over here. Um, and if you're planning to have a balcony like this, then we will be having some sort of walk-in closet over here. Then there is a bit of a space left here, so I was thinking of putting a study table with a nice view, probably. There is no view on this side, but I think this is fine. So this would be a nice view for this guy studying over here. Um, but then there the access to balcony would be hampered. Didn't think about that. Whew. All right, so let's move it here, put the bunk beds over here, and have the access of balcony like this. So this room will become like this. Yeah, then WC. This is the closet, walk-in closet. The entrance like this, and then the north is like this, north, south, east, west. So the commode would be like here somewhere, or maybe to the right, and then we can have the shower over here. We will see. The detail will come later. Um, so this will be the balcony. This will be the bunk beds. And then comes the bedroom area. So going back to this plan, the bedroom area can extend till here. I think it would be a massive bedroom with cupboards and study areas, walk-in closet. So you enter, this entire space is a weird space that we're going to use for, I don't know, sit out area here, a small pantry kind of thing over here with microwave and overhead storage. The entrance to this bedroom, then by the system of elimination, lies here. Okay, so you enter like this, and then this bedroom is accessible. Now, moving on to the other two bedrooms. I want to minimize the linear passage that goes in here, so let's just cut it off somewhere here and have the door for the bedroom like this. We can have a cutout for cupboards, and then keep this space for the walk-in closet and toilet. And then above we can let me think. Above we can have the thing is, here there is too much flexibility. Like, we can have a door, we can have a balcony which is connected here, we can have a balcony which is connected from the bedroom, we can have a door here, we can have a door here, we can have a door anywhere in middle. So there's too many options. Okay, so there is this cupboard, and then there's a clean bedroom space. Wait a second, why am I putting this door over here if I can put it over here? Yeah, that would be better. Yeah, that if the door is here, it is better because we are putting a cupboard here anyways. And then we will have I don't know, space like this with uh, with the washroom and everything, and walk-in closet, and the entrance is from here, so that it is not in the open, like you enter and then you have the opening of a bedroom. Yeah, so we can't have that. So will the entrance would be from inside, so that is more private. But for this, it might not be so private, but it's fine because it's a huge bedroom. Can't. All right, so we're going to finalize on this one. Retired. I'm gonna make it into reality. This is the beam, I think. Let me just check. What? What? Oh, right, like this. So 5 meters from the right. Yeah, that's the beam. But if I am having half brick thick walls, we can have it a bit far off from the beam. We'll consult the engineer for that. Let's design what I'm good at, designing the spaces for best human comfort and functionality. So the idea was to have a walk-in closet over here, and then the bunk beds. Bunk beds, 3 feet bed, yeah. Then 3 feet walking space, the door. So let's say 3 plus 6, 7, 8 feet space. That is 2.4 meters. And then the slimmest walk-in closet, which is 1.7. So that would be 4.1. Let's take it 4.2. Offset 0.115. Well, that's a pretty slim space, which is I'm very happy to see. So we can use the beam. Perfect. It's more than enough. Offset, I did say 2.4, so let's take it 2.7 for comfortable space. Oh, and there will be the thickness of the wall, which I forgot. So perfect. And then we've got the walk-in closet of 2.4 meters. Set 0.115. Trim. Okay, so bedroom, walk-in closet, children's space, offset 0.9, access to the balcony, the window over here. Okay, bedroom, we can give access anywhere we want, but this would be nice. Oh, set 0.115, trim, F. No, we. Okay, we need it. Perfect. No, there's a staircase, so we need to leave that line over there. All right, so entrance, huge bedroom, go there, bunk beds, go down, got the balcony, go to the left, go to bottom. We've got a nice walk-in closet. Let's create that space. Oh, so easy. All right, what is this? Now, mm, we would be needing that space over there. It's a very long room. Don't need that much. Or maybe it's fine. We can have the walk-in closet and everything over here. A nice square walk-in closet. Offset 3 meters. 3 is 9 feet. Approximately 9 feet. 9 feet 9 inches. So that's almost 10 feet. Do we need to leave balcony from the right side? Hmm. Shoot. All right, I'm gonna leave it from here, not for the bathroom, and you'll just split it in the middle and put it like this. Set 0.9. Go here and then here. Trim, trim. Delete. Could have trimmed, but yeah, it's fine. You can just create lines over here. All right, so we enter the bedroom, we go down, we go to the walk-in closet, then go to the right into the washroom. Oh, there is no access to the balcony. Go through the walk-in closet. Nope. That would be pretty bad. I mean, the purpose of walk-in closet would be lost. But we have a separate balcony of our own, so I don't think we'd be needing that. We've got a balcony over here. We can cut down on this balcony and include it in this washroom. So many options. We can do anything we want. Do we need such a long balcony? Probably not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift this to the right by 1 meter, 1 foot, and then I'm going to extend it. Then I'm going to remove these to get a big. We can actually shift this down. Yeah. By 0.6. Now this is appropriate, a nice washroom, walk-in closet. Balcony is enough for that bedroom. The balcony over here would be enough for this bedroom. Offset 0.115. Let me take in the dimension. It's 12 feet by 12 feet is good. 12 feet is good. 14 feet, 14 and a half, perfect. So that's a huge bedroom with a nice walk-in closet and the attached toilet. The entrance is our next concern. We'll have to create a small niche. Whew. So that will be a niche, tuchuk, tuchuk, and then up. Yeah, we'll do that because that maintains privacy, and we need privacy, even if it means slightly more complicated drawing. We'll have an offset of 1 meter, and then the wall thickness is 0.115. We join this, and then we remove this part, offset 0.9 for the door. 0.9 is 3 feet approximately. Sorry, yeah, So this is the entrance for this bedroom, and I'm going to extend this, offset it, and then trim this, trim this, trim this, extend this. Actually, we don't need this, and also we don't need this. We can connect this part. We need that part, and then I'm going to have a balcony. So offset 1 meter, offset 0.115, because that's what the engineers like. 0.115 instead of 0.15, which is the approximate. Wait. The balcony will be till here, so I'm gonna trim that later on. I'm going to extend this first. It did get extended. How do I do this? Extend. Offset 0.115, and then I'm going to trim this. Sit out. Okay, we'll think about that later. First, finish this bedroom. This bedroom. Very little space. So in my sketch, the idea was to have the toilet and walk-in closet below half of this bedroom, but this bedroom is very small to start with. We don't have enough space. So what can we do? We can shift the entire thing a bit to the bottom. So we're gonna stretch this part. No. We're gonna stretch this entire thing. By 0.6. Okay, now we've got enough space for a bathroom and a closet. Hope so. Okay, so this will be the bathroom till here. And there's the closet over here. No. Okay, I have another idea. It's a bad move, but let's do that anyways. No other option. Now it would make sense. We'll extend it to the balcony, and then we split it into two. We've got a bathroom and walk-in closet. We stick that up. It won't look good from the front. Okay, let's stick it from towards the right side. Then maybe it might work. It's okay, so I enter towards this. I can shift this entire thing down below by 0.3. Cyrus flushes with this door. Okay, what's the dimension of this thing. It's too small. We have to use the balcony. $13 feet. Now we are talking. What is this space? How much is it? 9 feet, 3 meters. And remove this and then have 0.9 like these, and then trim, get in the middle, go here, offset 0.9, trim, offset 0.115. I would rather have, the walk-in closet smaller than the toilet. Go in. Wait a second. This goes here, this comes here. We've got a cupboard. We go in, open this. We've got a washroom. The thing is, this washroom is not lavish. It's just bare minimum. If we want to increase the lavishosity, we will have to create a barrier, which we can do. Perfect. Nice. Wait. Boom. Trim. Put trim. Oopsie. All right. Now we can even have, we can have a longer walk-in closet and bathroom simultaneously. I think this is perfect. I'm done. I am done. I can't work anymore. One option is enough. The second option would be somewhat discussed later on. I'll just draw some doors kind of structures to discuss. Okay. Terrace door opens, should open outside. That's fine. What about this? We'll have some terrace doors over here. Trim. Oh no, sorry. I just went with the flow. This balcony is not yours. Bedroom 3. This is your balcony. Stick to it. So you go straight down here. The bedroom is probably this way, north, south, east, west. So yeah, you can have it like this. And then we can have the balcony entrance over here. Yeah, we cannot have a bed like this because otherwise we have to go from there to here. So I'm gonna put the terrace thing over here. And put in the door, please. All right, a few more doors. Okay, once this is done, I'm done. I am completely finished. All right, that's the last door left. I'm going to discuss this like tomorrow evening or something. I'm going to save it, and we are done for this session. Whew. Okay, so how long have we been streaming? It's 1.5 hours, so 1.5 hours for um, I should keep this here. 1.5 hours for the measured drawings from the sketch, not this one, and then making one option, just a very basic raw concept option for the requirements of the client. Um, Next step would be to meet the client probably tomorrow. I was planning to meet today, but I'm extremely tired. I wouldn't be able to explain anything. I'm already slurring. My speech is slurring. And then tomorrow probably we'll meet the client. I'll explain to him this, what I've done. I don't know. Then we'll go from there. If they'll discuss about it, what can be done, and then we'll sit down. If they like my understanding of, um, I don't know, if it's very weird. Like it's not purely objective. Like was I right or was I wrong? It's not like engineering. It's very subjective. Do they like me as a person, as is their architect, as a technical person? It's a mixture of all of these things, because at the end it is human conversations that is going to shape the building, like a major chunk of it. So are the conversations fluid between the client and me? So that's what they and I will see if we are uh, good for each other or not. So we do that, and if things are fine, if they want to take this thing forward with me, I am going to lay out the um, entire process of how I work. I'm going to lay out the fee structure, the scope of work, what all are the things that I'm going to be providing. um, I'm going to be giving them the information about material procurement, vendors management, human resources, contractors. We're going to discuss what scope lies in who's on which party. So after having done all of that, then I'm gonna sit down and design really well. I'm gonna spend 4 hours for planning with all the intricate details. When then that will be going on back and forth for, I don't know, 5 or 6 times. When that finishes, then we move on to the electrical and plumbing layouts. Actually, that will come at last. So even before that, if they want, I can do their interior as well. So there will be furniture drawings and interior, electrical and plumbing layout being done simultaneously. Then after that, yeah, then it's just revision after revision for all of these things, because if there is a change in plan about certain furniture, then that would change electrical and plumbing drawing probably. I'll be making 3D drawings to show them how it might look when it's built. So that's a lot of work. And when everything is planned in the next 1 month, I'm going to keep visiting the site and supervise if the building is coming up as it should be. All right, that's all for today. I'm gonna sleep now after having my dinner. Bye.